The astonishing benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Hello, viewers. Imagine a simple kitchen ingredient that could unlock a healthier, more energetic you after 50. That's right. We're talking about extra virgin olive oil, EVO, a liquid gold that's more than just a cooking essential. Let's explore how EVO can be your powerhouse for a rejuvenated life. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. EVO is a health elixir, rich in monounsaturated fats like oleic acid, which combats inflammation and may help prevent cancer. It's packed with antioxidants and vitamins E and K, making it a heart-friendly choice for cooking and overall wellness. 2. Men's vitality. For men, EVO boosts testosterone levels, crucial for muscle strength and energy. It supports cardiovascular and sexual health, and the vitamin E in it improves sperm count and motility. Remember, moderation is key, as high doses of vitamin E can be harmful. 3. Cardiovascular benefits. Olive oil is a champion for heart health, improving lipid profiles and protecting the heart with its antioxidants. It can even lower blood pressure, reducing the need for medication in some cases. 4. Sleep quality. Struggling with sleep? EVO induces fullness, reducing late-night snacking, and may aid in melatonin production. Plus, it's linked to a reduced incidence of depression, enhancing mental health. 5. Digestive health. Olive oil stimulates the digestive tract, preventing gastritis and ulcers, and helps absorb nutrients for a smoothly functioning system. 6. Bone health. EVO's polyphenols and oleuropein contribute to increased bone density and reduced osteoporosis risk, essential for aging gracefully. 7. Cancer prevention. Olive oil's antioxidants and polyphenols, like hydroxytyrosol and oleocanthal, may reduce cancer risk by neutralizing free radicals. 8. Weight management. EVO promotes satiety and has been linked to weight loss and increased antioxidants in the blood, making it a smart choice for weight management. 9. Skin and aging. EVO's vitamin E fights skin aging and oxidative stress, nourishing the skin and reducing wrinkles for a youthful glow. 10. The right choice. Choose extra virgin olive oil for its pure, antioxidant-rich profile. Watch out for fraud and ensure you're getting the real deal by checking labels and certifications. Incorporating EVO into your daily routine could significantly impact your health, from heart to sleep quality and beyond. Embrace this natural wonder, and thank you for joining us on this journey towards a healthier life.